Hey guys. Short answer, sometimes yes. Android often. Sometimes no. iPhone or delete for everyone cases, and only if you use the right method. Backups, notification history, or less desirably third-party tools. Alright? So I'll walk you through every realistic way to try to see or recover deleted WhatsApp messages, step by step, and explain the limits and privacy risks. No fluff, just the option that actually work. The official way, restore from backup, best and safest. If WhatsApp deleted the messages after you receive it, or after you received it, and that message was included in a previous backup, you can restore that backup. Now, this works on Android, Google Drive, or local backups, and for iPhone, iCloud. So go ahead to your settings, make sure to log in using your Apple account, the same Apple account you used in your previous phone or in your phone, basically. Click your name, hit iCloud, and you can just back it up, right? And basically receive all the apps and data. Okay, if you're using Android, confirm that you have backup. Go to the WhatsApp settings and then chat backup, check last backup, and you can see the Google account shown. If Google Drive backup contains the deleted message date, you uninstall or uninstall WhatsApp. Reinstall WhatsApp from Play Store and verify your phone number. When prompted, tap Restore to restore messages from Google Drive or local. Wait for the restore to finish, then your chats, including messages present at the time of the backup, will appear. So simple, it's as simple as just logging with your account, right? So in terms of iPhone, you're gonna go ahead to the settings, your name, iCloud, and then hit manage storage, right? Somewhere here. All right, you're gonna see your storage right here. You're gonna see the backups basically, right? And check WhatsApp backup date. If the backup date is before the message deletion, delete WhatsApp from the iPhone, reinstall it again. Verify your number and tap Restore Chat History when prompted. The Restore Chat will reflect whatever was in the previous backup. Important limitation: if the message was deleted after the backup was created, restoring that order backup won't help. It only restores the state at backup time. Also, restoring overwrites newer chat data. Right? Okay. Delete for everyone option. The reality: if someone used delete for everyone, WhatsApp removes the message from all devices. It shows this message was deleted. WhatsApp's own docs make clear deleted messages are not recoverable through the app once deleted for everyone. You can't ask WhatsApp to restore those messages from their servers. You can only hope or your only hope is an earlier local iCloud or Drive backup or any notification log you capture. The next option, which is not preferable, but you may use it if you are desperate. Third-party recovery tools in forensic methods. Proceed with caution. There are desktop, mobile app tools and data recovery services like iMyForce. Excuse me. Yeah, iMyFone. Excuse me, iMyFone or Doctor Phone with an F, not PH. Commercial forensic tools that claim to recover deleted WhatsApp messages from device storage or backups. Some tools can scan local backups or the phone's storage in full fragments, but success varies wildly and often requires a paid tool. All right. For iPhone, forensic recovery may require specialized tools and can be invasive, and privacy and legal implications exist. Many apps that promise view deleted messages are privacy invasive and may require broad permissions. Some are malicious, don't give your WhatsApp password or phone full access to untrusted apps. Short recommendation: only use reputable recovery vendors or official backup restore methods. Avoid random Android APKs or shady services that ask you to hand over credentials. Right? What iPhone users should know: no system notification log is exposed to apps as on Android. So options are more limited. Your best routes are iCloud backups or third-party recovery specialties, third-party recovery specialists, which can be costly and are not guaranteed, right? So, just to give you a privacy and legal note, attempting to recover someone else's deleted messages can be a privacy issue. Use these methods only on your own device or with permission. Malicious or covert monitoring may violate laws or platform rules. So, restore from Google Drive or local backup on Android or iCloud on iPhone. In terms of Android only, notification history or notification logger app, right? And the third party option, see deleted messages apps, proceed with extreme caution. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.